Hello and welcome. In this YouTube, we're studying the seafloor, the marine life, the plant life of what's in the bottom of the Puget Sound. What's sitting on the seafloor? What kind of condition is our plant life in? That's what this video is all about, to show you, the viewer, of what we're doing in the waters of the Northwest. The TFR team is on the move right now, looking close. We're using a specialized filter system and high resolution lens to really look at the plants themselves. How healthy are they? Are they doing well? Are they budding, as they would say? In this particular shot, doesn't it look like there's little flowers on the end of those limbs there? It's kind of like a real heavy growth. If you were to walk through a yard and you have this big bunch of brush you need to work through to get to where you're going, that's kind of what the seafloor's like for us to fly our diver drone through this without doing too much damage to the seafloor, disrupting the plant life, because it's real important that we take care of what's happening while we're doing this research work. Is so important for the state of Washington and the federal government, not to mention what the public can learn about Puget Sound. And if you've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you to TM Key Film. And if you get a chance, I'd like you to swing over to Dock Seas under Puget Sound. And there we have a live feed, a camera in a creek. And we're watching a small sea run cutthroat grow in size week by week. That was a pretty cool shot of a crab jumping off one of those limbs of plants, as you'd say. We've noticed too that we're getting some perch and some candlefish in here. You saw that? There's another one. And those are really important to the health of Puget Sound because they really lay their eggs on the eelgrass. Now here's a big piece of ribbon kelp, but you notice when you look up close, you see the little blue specks? Well, in our camera system, we've designed a filter that picks out sewage. Ooh, nice shot. Nice. Look how clear he is. A nice shot of that. And as we watch and look at this ribbon kelp, you see just a glimpse there. I was wondering, see the blue? See the blue? That is what we believe to be sewage that floats with this marine snow and then eventually lands on the ribbon kelp. And the sea cucumbers that live around here, as you just saw, really take advantage, I think, of some of the nutrients that are floating in that marine snow. But this is what the seafloor looks like in this area of Rich Passage headed to Bremerton. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be safe out on the water.